Hey, Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're looking at how to convert a Word file to Google Docs. So maybe someone sent you a Word file or you're working in Word and you want to move it over to Google Docs. This is how you do it. So from your Google Docs screen, you want to click in the top right-hand corner where the little dots are. I'm going to click on there and I'm going to click on Drive. So we're going to upload our Word document to our Drive. So in the top left, I'm going to click on New and I'm going to upload the Word document from my computer. So I'm going to click on File, Upload. Then I'm going to find the Word document. So I'm going to upload one of these. So let's upload this top one. So I'm going to click on it, click on Open, and the file will be uploaded as you can see here. So I'm going to click on it and that file will open in Google Docs, and you can see it's still a Word doc. It's got the doc next to it. So to change it to a Google Docs file, I'm going to click on File, scroll down and click on Save as Google Docs. So this will open up a new page and you can see you can sort of edit different things here. And when I shut down these screens, it should now be in my Google Docs folder. So here it is. So that's how you do it. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe. I will see you soon.